morning, YouTube. This is Anne Fine, and today I want to talk about using the stencil that I created in my last video to make a little card. So I have the stencil here, and I added a little affirmation, I would say, and some rhinestones that I bought in the 99-cent store. Usually you can pick these up at Michael's, but I was there and they had them, so I just grabbed a pack. And so the first thing I want to do is actually put this pattern paper onto the front of my card. So I'm just going to put some tape on the back of this paper, and I am going to line this up to the way I want it on the oh, this thing sticks like quickly on the front of the card, and once I have that on, I am going to also put the stencil flower in front right over it. So this is where it's going to be, what it's going to look like. And you just click that on there. So instead of putting on every single thing and showing it to you one time, I had some of it done already because, you know, this could take a little time, and I didn't want the video to be too long. So also I have these little flowers that I got, or floral embellishments that I bought from Michael's as well. You can tell Michael's is like my favorite store. And they're called like Recollections. And it comes in a tin. And I got a whole tin of it. So I'm just using this one because I really like it. And I just put that on. And that's what that looks like. Now inside, now at the bottom of the card, you can add more embellishments if you want. I was thinking maybe I would add another flower, but I think it's the flower is kind of getting in the way of the rhinestone, so maybe less is more. But what I do want to do is put some of these rhinestones into the flower petals to jazz them up a little bit so they'll be a little bit shiny. So here in every petal I put one of these rhinestones. So I'm even going to put in the little one as well, so the little ones get and the big ones get. Okay, so this is the front of the card. Oh, and here we go. Yes, so we got it. So it says right here, so this is what it looks like, and it says I am enough, right? Because we must always tell ourselves positive affirmations and give ourselves positive food and bless ourselves all the time. Now inside, if you wanted to like write something on the card or so, you just add a white sheet of paper, and I'm just putting a little bit of tape on it, and you put it in the card inside, so you can write a greeting, or you can, you know, put a poem or quote or whatever it is you want to do. So you have the inside and you have the outside all finished. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. Take care. Bye.